segment for the day. And today's meteorology segment is going to start out with surface winds of the North Atlantic. So we've got quite turbulent surface winds here. We've got very calm spots like here, where the winds are only at 4 miles per hour. And close by, 44 miles per hour. So turbulent waters there in the North Atlantic indeed. Let's zoom out and show you the rest of the surface winds for the Western world. There are the surface winds for the Western world. Next, the jet streams. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. Quite chaotic here in the Northern Hemisphere, all over the place. Doubled up and tripled up jet streams here over places like Africa and Europe. And some extremely cold temperatures persisting in the U.S. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Quite chaotic, especially in the Northern Hemisphere there as well. Here are the surface winds of the East. And we'll zoom in on this powerful system here once again. So at least hurricane force winds there, showing at least 83 miles an hour. There's an 85 mile per hour section. So probably more like 100 mile per hour winds in that area there in the extreme western Pacific, several hundred miles east of Taiwan. Next, real-time lightning maps. I like to use lightningmaps.org. We just saw a major strike in the center of the country here, right in the middle of Kansas. A lone lightning strike there near St. John in Stafford County. In any case, here is the rest of the world map. It's a real-time lightning map. I just used it the other day, lightningmaps.org. Next, looking at pressure cells, here are pressure cells as reported by windy.com. Let me just get the pressure isolines. There are the pressure isolines, folks. We'll advance this into the Euro forecast. Here's the Euro forecast for pressure at 12 noon Eastern Time tomorrow. Excuse me. Don't worry, it's not COVID. And even if it is, guess what? I don't care. Yes, that's right. I don't care. I wasn't scared of it last year on January 23rd when I started covering it at smashamash.com/forum, and I'm not scared of it now. Here's a weather.gov map. And we still see lots of frost advisories and freeze warnings over all kinds of places like Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Ohio, Indiana, Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, Maryland. Lots of freeze warnings there. Delaying planting in large portions of the east. Here's the temperature anomaly. According to the GFS forecast here, we're going to advance this. And you can see these temperatures around here are like 12 degrees Celsius below normal. 12 degrees Celsius. And we're going to see repeated pulses of cold weather here. Extreme cold weather here, like 16 degrees below normal Celsius in Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota for the 24th. And then continued pulses of extreme cold. And some major temperature fluctuations happening there in the center of the country. Here's the current U.S. Doppler radar map. As snow continues to fall in Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, even some in Connecticut and Massachusetts and Pennsylvania. Here's the cloud layer. Here's the water vapor map. Again, cloud layer. There's a Doppler radar map. There's the cloud layer. It's too dark to see them at nighttime, so we use the 3.9 nanometer channel 7. The NASA GOES interactive weather satellite suite, and it's pretty sweet. Again, there is the water vapor. And that's where we'll end today's meteorology segment. Thanks, Twitch viewers. We'll have to see you next time. Twitch.tv/smAshomash.